I've just completed knitting my second round of stitches. Not sure how much you can see of that because it is quite a dark yarn, but as you can see, I'm back at my beginning of round marker. Now, for the purposes of this video and what I'm next going to demonstrate, we're just going to pretend that I have knit my scarf. I'm happy with the length, and I've got my 10 grams of, or approximately 10 grams of yarn left, and I'm now wanting to cast off. So I'm at my beginning of round marker. I'll remove that marker, and then I am going to start casting off. Now, just as before, you will knit your first stitch and you will knit your second stitch. Then you will pick up the first stitch you knit of that row, which is the second stitch on your right hand needle, and then you will just pull it over so your stitch has gone underneath there. So again, then you'll knit the next stitch, pick up the second stitch and pass it over the first. And you will keep doing that all the way around, so knitting one stitch and passing over the one behind it, knitting a stitch, passing over the one behind it, and as you can see, it is starting to create a chain here of stitches that you have cast off. When you have completed all the way around and back to the beginning, you'll be left with one stitch on your needle like this. So then what you want to do is you want to cut your working yarn. Now you need to cut a long enough tail so that you can sew it in after. And then you pull it through and pull it tight. And there, if you can see, that is your lovely cast off edge. Obviously you would have a long scarf by this point. And yeah, that's the scarf finished.